Humanoid robots have been making headlines for years, but what UBTECH just revealed could be one of the biggest steps yet toward bringing them into everyday life. At its 2026 global launch event in Shenzhen, the company unveiled the new UWORLD U1 Series, a lineup of full-size ultra-bionic humanoid robots designed for mass production. The range includes the U1 Lite, U1 Pro, and the top-tier U1 Ultra, with prices starting at 119,800 RMB. Interest appears to be strong already, with more than 13,000 orders reportedly placed by launch day. During the event, UBTECH founder and CEO James Zhou outlined the company's long-term vision for how humans and robots will work together in the future. He explained that the first stage is allowing robots to take over dangerous and repetitive jobs, reducing risks for people. The second stage focuses on bringing robots into daily life through service and companionship roles. The final goal is a future where intelligent robots interact naturally with humans and become a seamless part of everyday society. UBTECH says it is evolving from a traditional robotics manufacturer into a platform company centered around AI-powered robotics and intelligent infrastructure. After spending years developing key technologies and deploying humanoid robots in industrial settings, the company now sees consumer robotics as its next major opportunity. That transition is backed by significant experience in the industrial sector. UBTECH claims it led the market in revenue and sales volume for full-sized humanoid robots in 2025. Now, with the launch of UWORLD, the company is looking to bring advanced humanoid technology directly into homes and public spaces. A major focus of the presentation was the idea of robot companionship. Company executives described companion robots as a new category that could support people emotionally while also assisting with everyday tasks. They believe these robots could eventually become as common as other personal technologies, offering personalized interactions tailored to individual users. The technology powering the UWORLD robots is extensive. UBTECH says the robots combine biomimetic skin, embodied AI hardware, custom operating systems, emotion-driven language models, and advanced manufacturing processes into one integrated platform. The aim is to create robots that feel more natural, responsive, and capable in real-world situations. The U1 series features 88 degrees of freedom, an especially designed biomimetic neck structure that allows it to replicate around 90% of common human movements. The robots are also equipped with an emotion-aware AI system capable of recognizing more than 20 emotional states, helping them respond in ways that feel more natural and relatable. UBTECH also introduced what it calls a biomimetic fast and slow brain architecture. This combines rapid response times with deeper reasoning abilities, allowing the robot to react quickly while still handling more complex decisions and conversations. An advanced facial expression and lip sync system helps make interactions appear much more realistic. Another standout feature is the Agent Memory OS. This system gives the robots long-term memory capabilities, allowing them to remember previous interactions and build ongoing relationships with users. Combined with environmental awareness, the robots can respond to situations naturally without always requiring a wake word or direct command. Privacy remains a key part of the design. UBTECH says users maintain ownership of their data through a system that prioritizes local processing, minimizes cloud dependency, and includes user-controlled security protections. The U1 series is designed for a wide range of roles, including companionship, emotional support, elder care, hospitality, education, research, tourism, exhibitions, social assistance, and premium household services. One of the most notable announcements was the launch of the Human-Robot Companionship Initiative. Through this program, UBTECH plans to provide customized humanoid robots to people facing loneliness or difficult life circumstances, including older adults living alone, children separated from parents, and families in need of long-term support. The company says it plans to donate 100 customized U1 robots during 2026. These units will incorporate technologies such as 3D facial reconstruction, voice replication, emotion-driven interaction models, and dedicated memory systems designed to create highly personalized companionship experiences. With UWORLD now entering the consumer market, UBTECH has established a robotics portfolio that spans industrial, commercial, and consumer applications. Its Walker S industrial robots are already being produced and delivered, while the UWORLD U1 series could become the company's next major growth driver. As humanoid robots continue to evolve, UBTECH is positioning itself at the center of a future where robots are no longer limited to factories, but become part of everyday human life.